Welcome back to our channel, and thank you all for tuning in and thank you all for supporting us. And we shall continue to bring you the latest news as they happen. But if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please encourage us by doing so. My brothers and my sisters, please let us work together with our great leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB, and Eastern Security Network to make our Biafran dream a reality. Is an Air Force jet heading to OWERRI in Imo State in order to aid military operation in Biafra land was brought down, crash-landed. My brothers and my sisters, it was gathered that the military authority covered the incident up and failed to make it public to avoid national embarrassment. But they claim that there was no casualty according to the source. But from other sources, they claim that all on board were lost. They were lost. But the Nigerian Air Force, through the source, are claiming there was no casualty. They were claiming. The Nigerian Air Force jets have crash-landed a lot of times. One in the North Central, one at the Northeast, one at the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, and now the one that just crashed took off from the Southwest region because they have planned to destroy Biafra. But God is on Biafran's side, and the plane, the aircraft jet, crashed. It was brought down. About 15 to 20 personnel were on board to Biafra land. They were soldiers, Air Force officers. They were all brought down. But the Nigerian military are hiding it from the public. They're covering up the incidents. And they fail to make it public to avoid national embarrassments. You know, they are used to audio victory. They are used to audio victory. You know, just like when the fighter jet went missing on March 30, one of the fighter jets, not this one that crashed, one of them. You know, they claim that it just went missing. But from sources, it was captured and shot down by the Boko Haram terrorists. And now the Alpha jet, you know, that is a light attack jet, an advanced jet trainer aircraft that they want to use to destroy Biafra land, has now been brought down. It has been brought down. It has been brought down. And thank God to ﷺ for helping his people. There was a heavy bomb blast at the Maitri Park in Dibio area of Iguacha in Rivers State. While traders were bringing in their goods and wares into the park. According to source, over 6 people were injured and everyone ran for their safety. The Nigerian police anti-bomb unit visited the scene and they appraised the situation, and the police spokesperson, Nnamdi Omoni, said that they don't have any detail for now. You know, when the bomb blasted, the explosion occurred at the dry fish section of the park. in confusion that ensued, a lot of people were injured. They suffered various degrees of injury. They suffered. They were asked not to come out. And the Nigerian state must have bombed the market in order to claim that it is IPOB that did it. And when the police command were contacted, they did not respond. They did not respond. They did not respond because they know that it is the handwork of the Nigerian state. They want to paint IPOB black in Iguacha, but it will never happen. It will never happen. It will never happen. It will never happen because IPOB are peaceful people. The security situation in OWERRI, the capital city of Imo State, has been made worse by the Nigerian military and security services. Residents of OWERRI are now living in fear as everyone is now seen as a suspect. They are seen as members of IPOB or Eastern Security Network. And OWERRI residents have been asked to stay indoors and stay safe because the Fulani Nigerian government are all out to destroy Biafran land. But thank God for IPOB and Eastern Security Network. Thank God for our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who will never allow the Fulani Janjaweed to destroy Biafran land. They will never destroy it. They will never destroy it. They will be taught a lesson they will never forget in their lifetime. They will be taught a lesson. If at all they will survive it, because by then they would have been sent to judgment, all of them. They cannot come and bring war in Biafra land. No, it's not possible. Now Garba Shehu is claiming that the southwest region is peaceful because they are being deceptive. They are playing with the minds of the people because they don't want the war in two fronts. So they are avoiding to cause problem in the southwest region. That is why they claimed that the Yoruba nation are not in support of Biafra, but they lie. All those stories in the Nigerian news media, they are compromised Nigerian news media. They are all lies. Yoruba nation and Biafra are brothers, and nothing they can do to bring enmity between both of them. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for supporting our channels. Please watch out for the next, and bye-bye for now.